Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So I'm back after a break of 10-11 days because my father expired, so I was absent from the market. So I'm back in action again. And as per our Hindu rituals, I also had to shave my head off. So yes, this is my new look for the next few weeks. So let's have a look at the chart of DXY, US dollar currency index, and right now DXY is standing at 106.56. This is the current market price of DXY, and if we look at the chart carefully, then to be honest, this is not a simple chart. You won't get a clear picture if you just have a look at the chart. For example, if I simply look at the chart of Euro USD right now, then there is no doubt that this is a sideways market. Okay, the present market is sideways. But if I look at the chart of DXY, then I do not get a clear picture. So as a result, we must be careful. So listen to me carefully. If we look at the daily time frame of DXY, then we can see that right now market is trading in a channel here, upward channel here. So overall the chart still seems to be very bullish. So we still do not have any trend reversal sign on the higher time frame. So whatever we had in the past few days was just a part of the correction, but in the bigger picture, dollar is still bullish. Dollar is still being dominated by the bulls here. So overall the market is still bullish, and in case market goes up also, there may be some temporary correction around 107.20. There may be some temporary correction around 107.20 because of previous price rejection from above, as well as the Fibonacci 50% retracement here. So yes, there may be some correction, there may be some selling here, but overall USD is still very bullish here. There is no doubt about it. Until and unless dollar breaks this channel here, okay, we will see a strong dollar. Okay, now let's have a look at the chart of Euro USD. For Euro USD, I would love to take you to my favorite time frame, that is 4 hours. Okay, there is no doubt that 1.0000 is still the most important support level on the chart here. In case there is a fall in the market in the coming days and weeks, you can expect the market to reverse from this level here. This is the most important support zone on the chart of Euro USD. And if we just try to analyze the present portion of this market here, then there is no doubt that the number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. As a result, we are seeing a range bound market here. The support level of 1.0124 or 1.0120 is the most important support. Right now is the most important support. But my dear friends, one thing I would like to remind you, the market has already tested this level too many times. You can see that market is constantly testing this level. Okay, and as we all know, if we find market testing a level too many times, the level loses its strength. So yes, next time whenever market will be testing this level here, be careful. Do not place a buy order blindly. Okay, if you see the market is reversing again, then only go for a buy position, because market has already tested the level too many times, and right now it is quite risky to place any buy position on this level here. So if market breaks it, okay, listen to me carefully. If you find market breaking this level, do not place a sell position immediately, because we have another important support around 1.0085 to 1.0095. This is the next important support on the chart of Euro USD. This is the red box here. The red box you can see is the next support zone. So if market breaks this level, then we have immediate support around 1.0085, 1.0095. This can be the level where you can expect the market to reverse. So if market breaks this particular level here, wait for the market to bounce from here. If you see the market is taking support around this level, place a buy position. But in case there is a heavy selling in the market, because as we all know, okay, fundamental factors drive the market crazy. If you find market breaking this level and going down, you can place a sell position. So if market breaks this level, and if you see that the size of the candles are big enough, big red candles, then you get the confirmation that sellers are back in action. Market is being dominated by sellers, and you can place a sell position, okay, below this level. But before that, try to look for buy positions only. If this level fails, because as market has tested it too many times, you can trust this level, okay. And if you have been trading for a considerable amount of time, if you have a good experience in the market, then you can consider taking sell positions in between. But if you're a beginner, new trader, and if your capital is very low right now, then avoid selling in between these levels here, okay. So this is the scenario, this is the strategy you can follow if market comes down. And on the other hand, if market starts going up from here, then yes, we have a resistance zone around 1.0250 to 1.0300. This is the resistance zone for the chart of Euro USD. Why? Because you can see this is a range bound market. So sellers at the top, buyers at the bottom, and as well as we also have the red line, the 200 moving average. The red line is the 200 moving average acting as dynamic resistance. So yes, there is a possibility that market will be reversing from here. But yes, no level is permanent, and as a trader, it is our first duty to protect our hard-earned money. So if you see market reversing, if you get the proper confirmation in the form of price rejection from above, then only take a sell position. So if market reverses, we can take a sell position. If market breaks the level, avoid it. I'll be coming tomorrow again, and I'll tell you what should be your next strategy. But if market breaks it, you can just avoid it, okay. So this is the strategy, simple strategy you can follow, okay. And hopefully you've understood. Follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Protect your hard-earned money, protect your capital. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.